Welcome dear students. Today we are going to learn standard 3rd subject English. Today we are starting a new chapter, that is chapter number 34, at the bottom of the ocean. Let's begin our chapter by reading chapter number 34, at the bottom of the ocean. What is there under the sea? The sea is very deep. There are many plants and animals in the sea. Some of them are very small. We cannot see them with our eyes. There are fishes, turtle, and many strange and beautiful animals in the sea. The largest of all animals is the blue whale. It lives in the sea. There are many different types of plants in the sea. In some places there are so many that it like an underwater forest. A very big sea is called an ocean. If we go deep down in the ocean, there is no sunlight. It is dark and quiet. The bottom of the ocean is known as ocean floor. The ocean floor is not flat. Just as we see mountains and valleys and plains on land, there are mountains and plains and also deep trenches in the ocean floor. When the top of such mountain rises out of ocean water, it forms an island. You can see these things in the picture below. Here is the picture, and in this picture you can see the picture of ocean floor. Here the plains, trenches, mountains and islands, they are shown. Now we will see the explanation. First we will learn about ocean. Ocean means a large salty water body is called as ocean, and the ocean is formed from the combination of small seas. We are already learned about ocean in Wash Day poem. Now let's learn about sea. Sea is a part of ocean. Sea is also made up with salty water, and sea is covered by land in 3 sides. Here you can see the Arabian Sea is covered by land in 3 sides, and Bay of Bengal is also covered by land by 3 sides. So it is called as sea. And Arabian Sea is situated at the western side of our country. The sea is the smaller water body than the ocean. Ocean is the larger water body. In world there are 7 continents and 5 major oceans. In that, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world, then Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. These are the 5 major oceans in world. Our chapter begins with the question, what is there under the sea? The writer is asked this question. Most of the times we go on beach on vacations. After going to the beach, we enjoyed a lot there, but we wonder about the sea. We are eager to know about what is under the sea. Now let's learn our lesson. The sea is very deep. There are many plants and animals in the sea. Some of them are very small. We cannot see them with our eyes. Just like there are so many plants and animals on land, there are so many different kinds of plants and animals in the sea. Some animals are very huge and some animals are so tiny, so small. So we cannot see them with our eyes. We need to microscope to see these kinds of animals. They are very small. So with our open eyes we cannot see these animals. There are fishes, turtle and many strange and beautiful animals in the sea. The largest of all animals is the blue whale. It lives in the sea. In the sea, there are so many kinds of animals, and there is variety of kinds of fishes, turtle, and very strange and beautiful animals like starfish, goldfish. Various colorful fishes are found in the sea. In the sea, the largest sea animal is blue whale, and the length of blue whale is about 100 feet, and weight is about 100 to 150 tons. Have you seen elephant? It may take 30 or more elephants to equal to the weight of blue whale. Now you can guess how big is the blue whale is. Blue whale is the biggest animal. There are many different types of plants in the sea. In some places there are so many that it like an underwater forest. Just like we see different types of plants on the ground, mostly they are found in green color. But here you can see in ocean there are so many different colorful plants, and all these trees and colorful forests are in under the ocean, and these trees are used as food for the fish. Here you can see the colorful forest under the water. A very big sea is called an ocean. If we go deep down in the ocean, there is no sunlight, it dark and quiet. A very big and large sea is called an ocean. And when we go inside the ocean, it is very deep, so the sunlight cannot reach there. So it looks very dark and calm and quiet in deep down ocean. The bottom of the ocean is known as ocean floor. The ocean floor is not flat. Just as we see mountains, valleys and plains on land, there are mountains and plains and also deep trenches in the ocean floor. We call the bottom of the ocean as ocean floor, and the bottom of the ocean floor is not flat. There are also mountain, valleys and plains. In our surrounding we see mountains, valleys and plains, land. Likewise, the ocean floor also have mountains, plains and valleys. In deep valleys in ocean floor is called trenches. Here you can see the deep valleys in ocean is called trenches, and mountain in sea they are called as seamount. In Pacific Ocean, the deepest trench is Mariana Trench, and this trench is the deepest in the height of the Mount Everest. Mariana Trench is the deepest trench in the world. When the top of such mountains rises out of the ocean water, it forms an island. You can see these things in the picture below. Here you can see when the mountains in the ocean rises to the surface of the ocean water and it forms an island. For example, in our India, Andaman Nicobar Island in Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Island in Arabian Sea. These are the example of islands. In this way we learn about ocean floor in this chapter. Here we learn about ocean surface and ocean mountains. Rises on surface on ocean water is called as island. In likewise the land, ocean surface also have plains, trenches, mountains, islands. Inside the sea there is a colorful life, and there are so many beautiful plants and animals are in ocean. Now we will solve the exercise. Question number first. Write true or false. First, the sea is very deep. Answer is true. Second, there aren't any plant in the sea. It's false because there are so many kinds of plants in the sea. The blue whale lives in the sea. It's a true. Number 4, the blue whale is the largest of all animals in the sea. Yes, it's a true. Number 5 is deep down in the ocean there is no sunlight. It's a true. In deep down ocean there is no sunlight. Number 6, the ocean floor is flat. No, the ocean floor is not flat, so answer is false. Number 7, there are mountains under the ocean water. It's a true. Number 8, an island in mountain top that rises out of the ocean water. Yes, the island is the mountain top which rises out of the ocean water, so it's a true. Question number 2, describe the following. An ocean. An ocean is very deep. There are plants. If we go deep down, there is no sunlight. It is dark and quiet in the ocean. Second is ocean floor. The bottom of the ocean floor is known as the ocean floor. It is not flat. There are mountain, valleys, plains and deep trenches in the ocean floor. An island. Island is the top of the mountain rises out of water. Question number 3, find as many as possible that fit the following description. First is big and small, second is strange and beautiful, and third is dark and quiet. Big and small is mountain. Mountain may be big and small. A river also big and small, and houses may be big or small. Then strange and beautiful. The sea animals, they are strange and beautiful. Then animals on land, they are also strange and beautiful. Then various plants, they are also strange and beautiful. Dark and quiet. A night is dark and quiet. Then deep ocean is also dark and quiet. Then closed room also dark and quiet. Question number 4. Write the opposite of following: deep, shallow, below, above, dark, light or faint, strange, familiar, small, big, quiet, noisy, dull, bright. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks with correct word from the brackets. First is, the largest of all animals is the blue whale. This means there are dash dash animals larger than the blue whale. Here we can use no or many. The answer is no animals, because blue whale is the largest animal. So answer is no. Second is, we cannot see them with our eyes. This means we are dash dash see them with our eyes, able or unable. We cannot see them with our eyes means we are unable to see them with our eyes. So answer is unable. Number 3, you can see these things in the picture. This means you are dash dash to see these things in the picture. You are able or unable. We are able to see these things in the picture. So answer is able. Question number 6. Fill in the blanks with the following. The dash dash is the largest sea animal. Answer is blue whale. Blue whale is the largest sea animal. Number 2, forest areas are normally dash dash. The forest areas are normally dark and quiet. Number 3, there is no dash dash deep down in the sea. Answer is there is no sunlight deep down in the sea. Number 4, there are mountains found on the dash dash. Answer is there are mountains found on the ocean floor. In this way we are completing this chapter. Thank you.